Oh. Nagsasalita pa tayo ng poet.
Ganun yun. Hindi mo uulitin yun.
Wait,
No. Hindi ko uulitin yung intro.
Tagal na yan.
What do you mean? Hey guys, it's your girl Agatha and we are back with another unboxing video. So this time, dumating na siya. Hindi ko natandaan kung ano siya. Pero basta album siya. Hindi ko sure kung, well, I'm not sure if it's NCT Dream 127 or Wavy, pero most likely it's Wavy. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox with special gifts kasi pabila siya. Special gift.
Bombastic side-eye.
Iyan. So, say hello.
Criminal offensive side-eye.
Say hello to them.
Hello.
Hindi na talaga siya makakaulit, guys. Last niya na itong unboxing. Anyways, so... Anong ulit? Walang ulit. Walang retake to. So, yeah, let's go. Let's unbox this.
Sinabi ko ano gagawin ko, like...
Ipa-password.
Kukunin ko yung scissors.
May scissors ka?
Oo.
Ah, okay. May scissors siya. Okay. Ba't may scissors ka ba? Nakakatakot ka? Ah, okay. Okay, pa-open.
Oo.
Yung album mo, yung album. Okay, so it's okay, first off, it's from Neoverse PH again. So I found them in Twitter or the X app, and I always buy my discounted albums from them. So yeah, you can check them out. I'll drop the link below. You can just see their ongoing group orders. And then, bakit si Mark? Maybe. Si Mark naligaw na naman. Hi Mark, ayun. So, ayun, we got ilang ba to? Okay, Wavy 6 mini album, Frequency. So, we got the 2 versions. Ano yung harap? Ito siguro. And then ito, likod yun. Ito yung harap. Okay, so which one are we gonna unbox? Like, just choose one. Okay, so, surprise na lang to sa akin sa bahay. Ito yung i-unbox natin tonight, okay? Sorry, dumating na yung food because we are at food Panda Express ngayon. Yeah, so,
Mo siya no? Yung color scheme niya mo, Kimetsu no Yaiba.
Ano ba kasi yung theme nila? Medyo hindi ko rin...
Demon Slayer?
Like, sa tagal din kasi, guys, before I got this album versus when they released it, I can't really remember what the theme is. Basta syempre wavy, dito din ko yan. Ano na, kaya mo, ayun. Sisira siya.
CD ba dyan? Anong klaseng album?
Surprise! First time niya po mag-unbox, kaya...
Ano ganyan? Ano ba yan?
So, it's an album nga of Wavy. So, Wavy is the Chinese unit of NCT.
Photo album?
No, like, music album. Pero photo book version ito. So, cover. And then, this is the back part. Yan. Tapos, wait. Teka lang. Hinahanap ko yung inclusions eh. Dapat. Oh, wait. Ako yung... Okay, so... Ano yun? Dapat makita din. Mukha kaya tumingin, no? Ayun, so... Ayan siya. Let's just go for a quick run-through of the photo book. Ayan, group photo. Kasi hindi mo din pala nakikita. Kaya mo na yung... Sino to? Si Xiaojun. Okay, siya pa rin. Xiaojun. So, medyo yung concept nila, diba? Parang yung graffiti, gano'n yung style. And colorful siya. Oh, ang haba oh, ganda.
Continuous ba yan?
Yeah, ganda. Tumiting. Hindi, parang mas stick ko sa bahay. Sino ba to? Siya pa rin? Ah, Doroy. Ah, so naka-per-member na sila. Like, one whole spread. Or Yang. So, this is Yang. He's like the youngest in the group. Si Xiaodun parang middle child. Yang pa rin. Okay, so si Xiaodun parang orange yung color niya. Ano ba? Red orange. Yeah. Tapos si Yang, blue. Blue naman yung kanya.
Blue and red.
Ganda oh. Ang ganda ng full screen. Okay. Sabi quick roll ko pero nagkakaroon. Tapos si Ten.
Green orange.
Green naman for Ten. Oh, good.
Green and peach.
Pero ba't ito? Ano to? Walang frame? SM, ano ba? Nagbayad tayo dito. Siya pa rin. At tapos,
Iba copyright yan.
si Henderina. What do you mean?
Yan. Pagbubok na pagbubok. Diba?
Okay lang. Oh, wait, so naghalo. Henry and Ten. Oo nga. Okay, so may combo pa rin. Aside from the individual. So ito, orange ulit. So naulit ng color.
Pink and green ulit.
Naulit siya ng color kasi twinning sila ni Xiaodun yung medyo orange color. Ganda oh.
The market sila as partners. That's
Oo. Ay! Ayan, yan si Kun. Ano, ang cute. Parang feeling ko dapat
gusto ko yung may Hot
baliktad.
Wheels siya sa...
Saan?
Yung may Hot Wheels siya sa strap niya.
Strap?
Yung bad strap.
Ah! Oh, ganda. In his racing era. Parang sana na-printan na lang din yung white part. Sayang eh. Uy! Ang ganda. Ay, ang tagal natin. Okay. Wait lang. Okay, so ito na yung lyrics part. So, it's at the middle of the photo book. So yeah, that's the second and third song. Ay, third and fourth. Okay, nandito na ako. Ilang songs pa to? 6 songs for this album. Wow, okay, ganda. Sa Kahugi. Uy, huwag ka tumingin. Ano to?
Graffiti art.
Oh, yan yung sa concept kasi nila. Ganda din ah. Magandang wallpaper. Kahit di ako fan mo. Okay, nag-iba na yung theme. Ah, okay. Ito yung natatandaan ko. Ito yung nakikita ko na pinapost nilang concept photo. So this is Xiaodun again. And then, more Xiaodun. Bro. More Xiaodun? Ang dami ah.
Yeah, ito bago
Oh,
na.
this is Yang. And this is a group photo. Ang cute! Ang cute! Okay,
Di ba lang
so,
sila?
for this comeback, it's just a 5 of them, pero they have 6 members na lang. So, ito, this is 10. He's like the second oldest. And then, Yang, the youngest in the group. Xiaodun, middle child. Henry, middle child. And then, si Kun, he's the leader then of the group.
Ano, no?
The oldest and the leader of the group. Tapos,
The food.
ay lang yan. Sino na? Si Ten. Okay, si Ten na. Ikaw na mag-flip, nahirap.
Sabi na yung flow ito, pero ayaw. Oh.
Okay, Ten pa rin. With the skateboard. Kasi parang street style pala, no? Ganun. Wait, si Ten pa rin? Hindi, si Henry na. Henry already.
Okay.
Why?
Hindi ko alam kung isang page siya.
Taray. Oh, Henry. Uy, quick nga lang eh. Magtatagal tayo. Okay, group photo. Okay. Why having a hard time quitting it? Henry, and sino to? Siya pa rin, Henry pa rin. Hopefully.
May pancake.
Or si Kun na yun. Si Kun na pala yun. Si Kun na.
Pancake.
Okay, may pang-poster tayo ulit sa room. Kun, more Kun. Ay, God. Okay, next. Ayun, so,
That's a
sorry.
CD.
So this is the credits part, and then the CD for the music at the bottom part of the cover. Then sa. No. No. Ano ba yan? Okay, so for the next part, for the inclusions, what do we have here? So, wait. A group photo siya. So, hindi naman tayo, nag-random member. It's a group poster. Ganda.
Nasa arcades.
And then this is a sticker pack. Wait lang. Sticker pack. Okay. So, for the photo card, photo card, big reveal. Sinong, okay, which member are you guessing that I'm gonna get for this photo
I
card?
think Yang.
Yang. Ako,
Pero ito nakita mo na kanina.
nakita ko yung clothes, but not like the face.
Ano ang kulay?
Ang hina ng memory, wala nang natandaan. Okay, so, feeling ko si Ten. Anyway,
Bill.
okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Love tayo ni Lord. Baka kasi kung advice ko kasi sa guys, hindi nyo pa alam, kawawa naman kayo. Pero, I got yun. So, the backward looks like this. Kasi side. Parang hindi talaga na yung nakita kong damit kanina. Imagination ko siguro.
Mali pa yung nasa isip ko.
Pero kahit di mo naman, di ba? Yeah, and then, like, a short message. Can you read it?
Ba talaga yan?
Siyempre, hindi na individually, pero, yeah. Can you read it?
I can read some of these words.
Okay, so what did he say? What's his message?
I don't know.
Okay, search lang natin guys sa XM. So, ayun. Okay, so that's it for our Wavy 6 mini album Frequency. Itong version na to yung in-unbox, not the other one. Kasi magtatagal tayo masyado. So, yeah, that's it guys. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button right there. See you guys again next time. Bye!